Hey guys, welcome back to Startup Central. Today we are going to be discussing a new protocol that can qualify you for a really interesting airdrop, and this one is the first video in a series on the Cosmos ecosystem. Now, as you know, the Cosmos ecosystem has a lot of blockchains, and a lot of them are kind of new, so there are a lot of opportunities in this space for airdrops. So we already done L2s, Ethereum L2s, we're already done Solana airdrops. Now we're going to be talking in the coming days about the Cosmos ecosystems. And the first protocol I want to discuss in this video is one called Asteroid Protocol. So stay until the end of this video because you'll be learning how to qualify for an airdrop, how to mint free tokens, and create your own inscriptions. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, this is going to be one of the most fun and easy ways to qualify for an airdrop. This protocol in particular is called Asteroid Protocol, and what they are accomplishing is allowing anyone to inscribe very easily on the Cosmos blockchain their own token or their own inscription. Also, you can mint either tokens or kind of NFTs. So I'm going to show you how to do that. It will take you no more than 5 minutes, as long as you have one of the Cosmos wallets installed and funded with Atom. So I'm going to show you my screen so we can follow along. Okay guys, this is the Asteroid Protocol, and in particular, we are going to be minting this token. Now, I created this token as a fun token. It's a meme coin. It has practically no value. Maybe by you minting this token, eventually it will have some value. So it's going to cost you less than $1 cent, not a dollar, a cent, less than 1 cent. So why not, guys? You can only mint 50 per try. So there is a maximum supply of 10 million, and you're going to be minting 50 of these units. It's going to cost you, again, less than 1 cent of a dollar to mint. So I'm going to place a link in the description of this video so you can link directly to COSMODOG, which is this token, the meme coin. So once you're here, you're going to have to connect your wallet. As you can see, my wallet's already connected here. But if you haven't connected yet, all you have to do is click on connect. Also, you need to have the wallet installed, be that Phantom or Leap, one of those two. I use Phantom. I think it's the first one I installed, and I have been using both, but I like Phantom a lot. So now all you have to do is choose one of the tokens that are available. Again, there's tons and tons. So invite you to mint one of this. Again, it's practically free. So all you have to do is click on mint now, or you could go to open mint page. It's the same thing. As of this recording of this video, there's 1,250 circulating out of 10 million. So we're going to click on mint, and it's going to ask us to submit a transaction. This is the price, what you're going to pay in gas fees. Right now, guys, since this is a new protocol, they're not charging any fee for you to mint tokens or inscriptions. So why not take the opportunity? So we're going to be paying less than 1 cent of a dollar. So we're going to click on continue. It's going to open my Kepler wallet. I'm just going to approve, and now it's waiting for the transaction. It's giving me a transaction hash, which I could actually click on and see what's going on. But this is a quick transaction, so it should take us just a few seconds for these transactions to be confirmed, as you can see here. Now I can close here, and you'll see that, well, it hasn't updated, so we can just reload, and it's going to show us how many are circulating now. I just minted 50, so there are now 1,300 CosmoDog circulating. Again, guys, we paid nothing. The price of this token is 0 Atom right now. It might go up. I don't know how they get liquidity, but the first step to qualify for this airdrop is mint. So make sure you mint CosmoDog. And an easy way to know you're finding the right one is by this token number, is 3528. There might be other CosmoDogs, but it's the one with this nice picture. So let's zoom in, and this is the one you're looking for. Now, what else you can do in Asteroid Protocol? Well, let's go here. I'm just clicking on the logo, and it's going to open. the site is a little bit slow because there's a ton of people wanting to qualify for this airdrop. So it's doing nothing right now. So I'm going to go to inscriptions, and I'm going to browse first what's available. I'm going to wait a little bit until it opens. And here you can see there's a ton of inscriptions, and you can actually mint your own. So you could click on any of this. Some of them are really not nice. I have a designer who helped me do that little doggy. So I'm sure you're going to be liking it. Make sure you don't scan this QR code. Sometimes they will send you directly to scam. So don't click here. Let's just click on just this one, Rare PayPay. Now, it tells you when it was created, that transaction, when it was created. And right now there's just one holder, and you can see the details on mint scan. Now you cannot, since this is an inscription, you cannot mint it, but you could create your own. So all you have to do is go ahead and create. You have to select a file. So you could choose any picture. So let's find one for the sake of this video. So next thing you need to do is upload a file with an image of that inscription you want. So let's choose, I'm going to choose one that I have prepared for this video, and it's the image of a cat. Now make sure that the size of the file is no more than 550 KB. So you can, if you know how to edit photographs, or you have one of those compressors, you can use WebP, this extension, because it will compress the file the most. So I will leave that image up to you. Now you can name your inscription. You can name it whatever you want. So let's call it kitty cat. Yeah, whatever you want. I mean, you should try to make it different from others, but it would take you a while. So just write anything you want. Again, guys, this actions that I'm showing you is to qualify. So you're not really caring too much about this inscription for the time being. So description, generic cat in looking at you. Are you behaving today? I mean, just whatever you want to. And I'm going to click on inscribe, and it's going to tell me how much I'm going to be spending. In this case, since I'm inscribing, it's going to be a little bit more expensive. That's 0.01 Atom. Considering that Atom right now is around $10, this would be around 1 cent. So to mint your tokens is going to be cheaper. To inscribe is a little bit more expensive. But again, guys, this is 1 cent. So I'm going to click on continue. And now I'm going to approve the transaction. And it's going to, it's going to take a few seconds until I confirm that this one has been inscribed. Once it's been inscribed, you can either open it on MintScan and find your inscription. And this is your confirmation that this has happened. Or you can actually go back here. Let's see, where is this transaction complete? We're going to close. And I don't think I need to do anything else. So I can browse and look for kitty cat now. So I'm going to search for, there you go. Here's kitty cat. Now, what can you do with this inscription? Basically, for the time being, just transfer it to someone else. So, I mean, if that's something you want to do, but you don't need to do it to qualify. Now, you've done this, you could actually create a token. It depends on whether you want to do that, or a mint. So if you want to create a token, there's going to be a number of parameters you need to configure, including the amount of units of that token and how many per mint you want to make available to the people that want to mint. So if you want to do that, you just click on create. Again, you upload your logo, name your token. You have to think about a ticker. And of course, there might be copies of that name already existing, or in the future that some people will copy that name. But again, guys, you're not going to become rich by doing this. All you want to do is to qualify. So if you don't want to go ahead and, let's say that you are in the US and you don't want to be liable for any, creation of tokens that could, make you like all these influencers that have created NFTs with the expectation of profit, then just go ahead and mint. But if you want to create your own token, you could either launch it immediately or launch it at a specific date. Now, guys, once you create this, you will lose control of this token. So that's something you need to know. You will have to mint your own tokens, but you will not be in full control of this token. It will be released to the Cosmos ecosystem. So if you create a launch date, again, guys, you might need to book it in your calendar. I don't know how to get back to a scheduled token launch. I have done that, and the website doesn't allow me to find it again. So I would launch it immediately if you want to do this, and then just create it, and then you will go to mint your own token. Now, let's go to tokens here. There are a number of tokens already minted. This is the original one, ROITs, and it has a value right now of 0.01 atom. So you could actually buy this token and you can see this is the first one that was created with this protocol. Some of them are worth nothing. I would say most of them are worth nothing. I don't know where the value comes from. It's interesting. There should be some liquidity behind them, but I don't know how they got here. Now, you can actually type CosmosDog. Sorry, that's CosmoDog. And there's going to be 1 and 2 CosmoDog, but you know, the one with a cute picture, that's the one you are looking to mint. Again, guys, if you have not minted, you can mint now. It's going to be really, really cheap. It's going to open the wallet. It's going to tell me, confirm that it's less than $1 US. Actually, that's like 1/10 of a US$ to mint. It's going to index your purchase. And after a few seconds, it's going to show you how many you have already. So again, as you can see, this was my creation and I only have 340. So they're not under my control. There's a maximum supply of 10 million. So if you mint your own, there's going to be more holders. Right now, there's like 5 or 6 holders. So you will be one of the proud holders of CosmoDog. Hopefully one day, one of the greatest meme coins around. And that's it for this video. This is a really, really easy to use protocol. Again, guys, right now they're not charging anything to either mint your own tokens or create your inscription or create your tokens. So right now it's free for all. That's why there's a lot of tokens and inscriptions. But by doing this, guys, you're setting yourself up to qualify for an airdrop for Asteroid Protocol. All you have to do, guys, just to sum it up, is have your wallet have at least 1 atom. You will spend not even 1 atom. By doing everything I just did, I didn't spend not even half an atom. So, and then when they launch their the own token, you will have done everything that's needed to do to get this token airdrop. So I hope this video was useful to you. If it was, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Startup Central so you can get more videos like this where we go and explain how to make money in the crypto space by airdrops via crypto gems and everything else. See you in the next video. Bye-bye now.